I'll be selling out the O2. I was broke till I broke through. You know what it's like to have everybody know you, but nobody knows you. I know any loss can make you come back strong and make your songs bang. Mine have a long span. I came up, pain was my main crutch. You've been in this game and you ain't changed much. Don't paint me with the same brush. All you weak entertainers don't meet expectations. I spit hurt into words that work. For my listeners, you gotta persevere through till every person hears you. I've been doing this 11 years, that's why my head appears. I know you're aware of tears. I was a shy kid till I wrote my first rhyme and realised my gift. You ain't taking away what I did. I'm storytelling to get us out the storm we dwell in. I almost lost the pleasure to rap. I can never relax, I just did one of my best songs, and now this one gotta be better than that. I rap every waking moment, now I'm taking over. The era is whack, they can't get to this level of rap. That's where it is at, they're gonna treasure the track. I'll be a legend and that's a definite fact. Rap ain't my hobby, I'm on my fourth beat and it's still morning. Your raps are a bit boring. When I rap on a track I don't need a pat on the back. I gave my everything, rap is the very thing. I was going heavy in, I was spreading myself very thin. It's fucking easy is what many think. I put every penny in, I got so many raps, feel like I've been penning them for a fucking millennium. They want me to bleed on a track, then they want that heat on a track. I'm trying to be all of that.